We're Light Up, a team of makers that met at the Stanford School of Education. These days, we work in a little office above an auto repair shop in Silicon Valley. We got our start right here on Kickstarter, so we couldn't be prouder to return here to introduce our newest product, Hololab, the first ever augmented reality science adventure for kids. Augmented reality puts awesome 3D graphics into any environment, allowing you to interact with things that were once too big, too small, too expensive, or completely invisible. Hololab is a futuristic 3D learning adventure designed for kids to interact with topics in science, technology, and engineering like never before. It makes education approachable and enjoyable in ways that simply weren't possible in the past. We want to create a groundbreaking subscription program. A new box will be delivered every month, each with its own theme and set of activities. Some are virtual, some are hands-on, and some are a combination of both. All you need is your iPhone or iPad to use our augmented reality, but Hololab also comes with a viewer that holds your phone and makes for an even more captivating experience. To give an example, in one of our boxes you get to learn about the sun, regulate an ocean ecosystem, take a trip around the world, and complete some awesome activities with magnets. And you can apply what you've learned in augmented reality to the real world with hands-on activities about magnetic fields, using the force, and levitation. And you're never alone on your science adventures. Scout, your very own robot tutor, is there to teach and guide you through every augmented reality activity.
Hi, I'm Scout. Every planet in our solar system orbits around the sun. This ocean ecosystem is being affected by climate change.
This campaign will raise the funds we need to design and produce more boxes that explore awesome topics in science. The next adventures we hope to create are full of topics from the future of science, and each will explore a new concept that will be incredibly relevant in the lifetimes of kids today, from climate change to artificial intelligence to space travel. We've spent months testing and getting feedback from kids and families, and we believe that we are now ready to launch the future of education. By backing Hololab, not only are you giving the young scientist in your life an amazing gift that will entertain them for months, but you're supporting the development of modern education. And when you order Hololab through this campaign, we'll be sending the first box out in time for Christmas, making this the perfect holiday gift. You'll be gifting a fun and enriching experience that's never been seen before and will be appreciated by parents and kids alike. We hope you'll support our vision by backing our campaign. Thank you.